is slime. This is the white glue.
This
and that
is
one's
the clear glue. And I guess it comes with 2 activators because if we
this
is the paint. It got, not green, but it got green, pink, blue, purple, and yellow.
This is the glitter.
It comes with a little spoon too.
See, look, if you want to stir it and eat it, don't eat it, guys. That was just for fake. I'm going to do it too. So,
You sure you don't want to do it? Oh my goodness. It's already started. I know. You want that much down?
Yep.
And then
okay,
I'm gonna do
now,
you want to do
I want to do rainbow color.
the rainbow color? Well, all of them. We're gonna need, wait, which one you want?
Now we're going,
Here's the activator.
now,
Which one did you use?
This is both activated.
Yeah, this is
And we're gonna need this, and let's pull it out.
Oh, yeah. You never use this.
Right.
now we're adding the color. See, it's pink.
Right there. And let's mix. Ooh. It's time.
Now we're adding the activator. Do we put a little bit? Or
Yes, a little bit. If you want it sticky, you put a little bit, but
okay, there.
mine
Okay,
If you want to ruin your slime, you put a lot.
Did I put a lot?
No, you put a little.
Ooh, this is so sticky. Yo.
Like, not ruin it, but like make, if you want. It's turning into slime.
Yeah, I know.
Not ruin your slime if you want white slime.
See, look.
Not like white slime,
It's
if you want
dripping.
wet slime.
Let's.
Ew,
Okay.
oh my gosh.
We just gotta knead it.
We do not need it.
Oh, did I tell you the clear slime is disgusting? Yeah.
You use the clear slime.
I know, but it's still sticky. But it's still good. Gotta get
Ours
this.
is more pink.
I know, cause
Ours is like a hot pink, and yours is like a.
light pink. Like
Yeah. Now I have to put mine in here.
the glue behind
Now we're
the
making
camera.
more slime. This is part 2. Now we got to put
I'm
some.
making rainbow.
Now
Except, I know I'm not gonna make rainbow.
I'm gonna
make
be
tie-dye.
putting purple.
What's tie-dye?
Let's make some things.
It's like that.
It's not
except I'm
slime
not
yet.
adding
It just
everything.
looks
I'm
like that
making
because you put
Nothing! Here we go. This
Don't
is our
put too
other
much
side.
of this, or it's gonna get hard and old and stuff real quick. I know, right? Oh, mine's the same as that.
Mine's more purple than anything.
Mine is going to be pink and blue.
Mine's like galaxy.
Mine is
Here we
just
go.
purple.
Let's put a pink and a blue. Here we go.
Oh my gosh, this is a horrible color.
And it's cute.
No, like it doesn't go together. It's turning more blue than anything.
Okay, now we're doing the blue.
I already used my blue, but like
Y'all might think it's slime, but
it's gonna become. I know.
Oh,
my
now
goodness.
we're making.
Now it's galaxy slime.
This is.
I made galaxy slime, but you
Now
can't really see it.
it's not really slime.
Slime, this
There's
isn't
fluffy, bow, sparkles, giggly,
But
rainbow.
when she said
and
fluffy, it do not come with it do
glitter.
not come with a shaver cream or nothing or none of that. It don't come with shaver cream. It don't come with the butter stuff that you make buttery slime with. It don't come with that stuff.
Yeah. Don't eat it.
Oh my gosh!
You put too much of that stuff.
I know I did.
Yeah, you did. You made a lot of slime in there.
It's not even stretchy.
Wait.
Cause it spilled.
That's good. Only if you want it sticky. Let me see this.
Mine's not even sticky.
If you want it sticky, you put like to right here 250.
Ew.
250
Mine is ugly,
cc.
Jayla.
And if you don't want it sticky, you put it like to about like 15.
I made deal. You guys can take it home.
And leave in the comments if y'all want us to make some slime. Well, if y'all subscribe more than anybody, we're going to make some slime.
We're gonna make 4,000 and 50,000 and 600.
I'm kind of glad that this is mine now
Look,
because I just
look at
smeared
her
it together.
slime.
I just put it together. You can barely see the perfect.
Dab on my hater.
She said dab on her haters, so all her haters,
Okay.
she gonna dab on. I want to do all 3 of the colors. Well,
Frame. Oh my gosh.
You've been framed, Jayla.
Yep.
How? So, here we go. Now we gotta add some glue.
Oh yeah, that's bad. Oh, look at this. This looks like syrup or vomit or something.
Ew.
Oh, this is the ugliest slime I made ever in my life. I don't want it that sticky, so take that out. Okay, take it.
Ew.
Mine look like some pop or...
We're making galaxy slime right now.
Well, I'm not jolly, because I like the ugly colors.
She
can
looks
tell.
like chocolate.
No, I don't. It looked like that Pepsi that's in my house.
I have Coke.
Yeah, she does. Her mom gives us some.
Ooh, you look at my Pepsi.
Look, Jordan.
Ah, look
Isn't
at my... This is not the Pepsi slime. Ugh.
Look.
No, I'm not putting no glitter in these, because these all 3 look ugly except for that purple.
I need some.
Told you that they don't turn into galaxy. They just turn into the ones that
You could fart it.
farted.
Let me see this one
No.
because that's cute.
Making what's okay? What is a blue drink?
Yours
Tell
always-
it in the comments.
yeah because oh my gosh.
What is that slime? What do you think that slime should be called? So now we are going to be making the prettiest slime with glitter.
I need this one.
Ooh, funny. Okay. I
There's
need.
nothing in here. Don't use all of it, Sheila. You're not supposed to use all of it.
I like my color dark. Oh, mine's looking so bluish.
And there's no more.
Hey, mine's bubblegum
of
pink.
this.
Mine's becoming bubblegum pink.
Can we do? What happens if we mix these two?
Nothing. You just gonna have slime. Pink is my favorite color. Did y'all notice? Maybe not, because I'm using all colors. Mine's got to be the prettiest.
Purple is my favorite color because purple, I saw on a car yesterday that there's purple.
Oh my gosh.
Now I'm going to do pink.
You used it all. I'm going to use the Jojo bows.
Oh my gosh. This is not turning out for me.
Don't use it all, okay? Because we need it, some for, oh my God, look at mine. Now
I need help
I'm going to add some
You need to hold
purple.
it underneath.
What happens if you add pink and purple?
I just have to keep on trying.
I didn't copy you.
yeah.
So if you did.
This is hard to...
Oh, yummy! This looks like yogurt. Don't eat it.
That do
But it looks like yogurt and ice cream.
What is yogurt? Yogurt.
You don't know what yogurt is?
No, she said yogurt. Yogurt.
Don't do it all. Don't do
Okay,
it
okay,
all.
Oh, I thought that was playing with some other boys.
Don't use
That's
it all. Just use like one color.
Oh yeah, can you open this one too?
Okay, no.
Ooh, I'm gonna mix mine. Ooh, this looks
I'm
actually
not
pretty.
catching up. I need to catch up so it will be pretty.
Henry! You okay?
Okay, now I'm doing the Jojo bows.
You can open this.
We need help with it.
Is mine pretty, Fiona?
I think so. I'm not using it all because Nevaeh wants some. Nevaeh. Oh, look at mine. Dang, this is the prettiest slime I made. Y'all have to admit, don't y'all? Y'all got
Kind of. Ew, I don't like this. Okay.
Nevaeh, did you activate it or no?
Uh-oh. I didn't.
It's really sticky. 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 Yeah.
I need some more.
Oh! When it's sticky, this is what y'all do. Comment down below if y'all think mine is pretty.
Comment down below because I have Jojo Bo's.
You should call that the yogurt. So
This is the yogurt slime.
this is
This is the
slime. Look at my collection.
It's turning into Galaxy.
I know.
That's
I
a good
didn't
thing.
want it.
Not Galaxy and purple.
Okay, now.
Ooh.
How did she get two slimes? Ew.
Oh.
This, Jayla.
I didn't put that much this time.
Guys, she need help.
You got a Jojo Bo here. Put the Jojo Bo.
Okay, I'm the pro at slime. I am the pro.
I used to be the pro, but everyone makes their slime different now.
Can I fill yours?
Mine's hard. Dude, well, you got
Yeah,
to mix
it's
it.
hard.
Gotta mix
Is this one mine?
And it's glittery, yes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this.
Ew! I hate getting my hands sticky.
Should I
She's the pro at slime.
should I mix it or no?
And this one's my Galaxy kind
Well,
of.
this one is not mine. Help you guys know it's hers and Nevaeh's.
Should I mix it or no?
Actually, who looks the best in the comment? Please say mods, please.
Please say mine.